Hey guys, welcome to the Fumble. I'm Crystal Marie. Usain Bolt won another gold for Jamaica at the IAAF World Championships this weekend and celebrated by using LeBron James' signature move. Bolt anchored Jamaica's gold medal by winning the men's 4x100 meter relay at the championships in Beijing on Saturday. Immediately after, the Jamaican track star whipped out LeBron James' signature celebration move, the high knee hand pump move. Take a look.
Usain Bolt needs to produce the magic. USA, Usain Bolt. Oh, and there's a baton nightmare there for the Americans. Cometh the hour, cometh the man. Bolt for Jamaica, USA the silver, and amazingly, the Chinese have taken the bronze medal. It all went wrong for the Americans on the last changeover. It was fantastic down.
And just to compare, here's LeBron doing his signature celebration move.
LeBron James gives Miami a 2-point lead with 10.5 to go.
Bolt captured his third gold of the World Championships after taking gold in the 100 and 200 meter events as well. Usain Bolt has been known as the fastest man in the world for quite some time, and he doesn't appear to be letting that title go anytime soon. To watch Usain Bolt get wiped out by a Segway riding cameraman, click here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.